Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and water, unplug the refrigerator and shut the ice maker line. Once done, empty the interior and move the unit to access the rear. You need gloves, goggles, and a multimeter. Check there is no voltage before touching connectors. Now remove the rear access panel and brace the fridge so it won't tip. Make sure to photograph wiring and take labels off connectors for reference. This saves time when you reconnect later. You must recover refrigerant first using an EPA-approved recovery machine. This is mandatory and prevents harm. After recovery, disconnect the compressor's electrical leads and remove the start relay. Label each wire as you go. Next, unbolt the compressor from the mounting plate. Carefully cut or desolder the suction and discharge lines, then immediately cap those lines to keep moisture and debris out. Take notes on mounting spacer and rubber grommet orientation. You will reuse or match them on the replacement part. You install the new compressor by seating it on the correct grommets and tightening mounting bolts to the prescribed torque. This reduces vibration. Reconnect electrical leads using your photos as a guide and replace the relay and overload protector. Make brazed or flared refrigerant connections, then evacuate the sealed system to about 500 microns to remove moisture and air. Charge the system with the exact refrigerant type and weight, check for leaks, and run the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.